Hi friends, today video
Dreaming on in my head like a
about BLACKVIEW BL8800 and BL8800 Pro. BLACKVIEW has released two of the most powerful smartphones on the market. They will not be spoiled if they are submerged in water or if they are tossed on the ground. It also comes at a very low cost. Let's know everything there is to know about the BLACKVIEW BL8800 and BL8800 Pro. The BLACKVIEW BL8800 and BLACKVIEW BL8800 Pro have a lot of great features, including a huge battery with an 8,380 mAh capacity. Except for their main cameras, the two BLACKVIEW TUF smartphones have comparable features. Both phones include a large 8,380 mAh battery, 6.58-inch display, and a good camera. Let's look at the BLACKVIEW BL8800 and BLACKVIEW BL8800 Pro prices and features. The BLACKVIEW BL8800 has a night vision camera, whilst the BLACKVIEW BL8800 Pro has a FLIR thermal imaging camera. The smartphone was released a few weeks ago and is now available all around the world. The early bird discount is ended, and the standard model's beginning price ranges between $350, about 27,000 rupees, and $430, about 33,000 rupees. Online platforms and other platforms are used to make the product available. BLACKVIEW BL8800 and BLACKVIEW BL8800 Pro feature 8GB, 128GB RAM, the storage combinations in addition to the MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. IP68, IP69K, and MIL-STD 810 classifications are included in the phone. Both smartphones have an 8,380 mAh battery that supports 33W rapid charging and allows for longer use on a single charge. The smartphones have 3D copper pipe liquid cooling technology for efficient heat management. Both BLACKVIEW phones have a 6.58-inch screen with a resolution of 1080x2408 pixels and a brightness of 480 nits. Conquest Black, Mecha Orange, and Navy Green are the three colors available for both models.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.